Hello, AldosWorld.
Hold on, bro. Hold on, what the hell? You're literally a chain to the handcuff? There's a lock.
One of the scariest characters of all time, Jigsaw. I've been avoiding this video for so damn long, but it's time to FaceTime Jigsaw. Yo, what up, Dragon Army? Welcome back to another crazy video. You know what time it is. It's 3 a.m. That means it's time for another crazy haunted channel that you guys suggest, and this time we're gonna be FaceTiming Jigsaw. I want to play a game. Nobody wants to play a game with Jigsaw. Nobody likes to mess around with Jigsaw, but tonight we're gonna FaceTime him for you guys because you guys have been recommending this. If you don't know how this works, I do all the crazy videos that you guys suggest. Make sure you turn on the post notification bell if you want a shout out, and comment that you're part of the notification gang. Once you do that, you do not want to miss a video, guys. We do the craziest videos no matter what they are, so burn that like button, my dragons. Subscribe to BZ, guys. Subscribe to Leo Swipes, guys. There we go.
Is it too late to not do this anymore? Bro, we're already outside.
There's no.
What do you mean too late?
We can't just back down. Like, he is actually true. Hold on, let me try to bring up his number. Guys, Jigsaw is one of the scariest characters in the whole series. Comment that you're part of the notification gang, because I give shout outs to all the notification army. No more playing around. We're gonna FaceTime Jigsaw. Jigsaw is one of the scariest characters in the ever. He always wants to play a game. I don't want to play a game. Alright, I just want to live my life. Okay, I'm just doing this FaceTime video because all my dragons have been requesting it. Okay, I got my dragon necklace right here. It's right here. If you haven't got your dragon necklace yet, make sure you go and get it. Hey guys, here is Jigsaw's number. If you want to try and FaceTiming him. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah, give him a call.
Once we do this, like, there's no going back. This is Jigsaw. Like, we can't screw around.
Yo, it's a game, bro.
We're already here.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Do it.
Okay, hold on.
I was gonna answer. Hold
Yo,
on.
press it.
I'm pressing it. It's not
going through.
No, it's not working.
It's not working.
Hold up, yo, try it one more time.
Okay, hold on. I'm trying. I'm clicking it.
What the hell?
Nothing's up. Go away from me! What the hell? Huh? Where am I? What the hell am I in a cage? Hey, hello? What the hell am I in a cage? What's there a camera? What the hell? What is this? This is my camera? What the hell? Why is there a camera? What the hell? Why am I being filmed? This place. Hello? Oh my god, what the hell's going on? Hello? Hold on, calm down. Hello? What is this? What the? Where's that coming from? What? Huh? What? What the?
Hello, AldosWorld. All your videos were real. You went to Area 51 and put your life at risk for your fans.
Okay, what do you want from me?
You've been clickbaiting your videos.
I'm not clickbaiting my videos!
This has gone unpunished for too long.
No!
It is time
I'm sorry!
to pay for all the clickbait you've
No,
caused.
please!
This time, your dragon's likes will not help you.
Yo, leave me alone! Leave my dragons alone!
The room you are in contains gas
I need to get out of here. What is this shit? Is this a joke?
The key to escape is hidden somewhere in this room. Good luck, you don't have much time.
What the hell? Leave me alone! What happened? Hello? Jigsaw, come back! Jigsaw! I need to get out of the room! Jigsaw! Oh my god, what the hell's going on? Where's my flashlight? Guys, I don't know if this is some kind of joke. This is not funny. Whoever's pranking me, this is not funny. Wait a minute, he said this room is gonna be filled with gas chambers. It's gonna poison the room. Let me out! How do I get out of here? What is this place? What the hell is this cage? What the? Okay, let me see if I can get out. Oh my god, no, there's a lock. I need to get out. How can I unlock this lock? Okay, key. I need a key. He said there's room in the key. Guys, he said there's a room in the key. A room in the key. There's a key in the room. Oh, I can't even speak anymore. Key? No. Key? 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 Come on, there has to be a key somewhere. What is this? There's a big key somewhere. What the hell was that noise? Leo? Leo? Is that you? Oh, I'm in this room. Where are you? Where are you? I'm stuck in this room. I'm inside a freaking cage. What? You're chained up? Yeah, I need to. Hold on, I'm gonna save you. Guys, I need to figure out how to get out of here. If I was a key, let's think. I'm panicking. No more panicking. Yo! Yo, I'm gonna save you. Don't worry, bro. I need to find a key. What is this? Do not look. Let me look around. Okay, I got this. There's this random closet here. There's a. What? Hold on, I'm looking for a key. I'm looking for a key. Oh, what's in here? Oh, there has to be a key in here. What the hell? This thing doesn't open. It doesn't open. Oh my god. Is that a key? Oh, guys, I found a key. I found a key. Yo, I found a key. Hold on. I found a key, Leo. Hold on. Guys, I found a key. Okay, how am I gonna get it? It's right there. Guys, I can't reach the key. What? Hold on. Hold on. Let me try to grab the key. I can't. I gotta put in my whole hand in. I can't grab the freaking key. My hand's stuck. Hold on. Come on, I need to. Hold on, I found the key, bro. 1 second, I'm trying to grab it. This hurts so much. Hold on, bro. I'm trying to get the key. My hand's not fitting. Come on, I can do this. 3. It's freaking causing a dent in my hand. Okay, let's try this. That hurts so much. That's not gonna fit. There has to be another way. Oh, what's this? The wood? Hey, maybe I can use this. No, I don't want to do that. If I do that, it's gonna fall on the floor. Come on, there has to be something I can use to get it. What the hell is that? Is that a sword? Maybe I can use the sword. Okay. Come on. Okay. Come on. Okay. Come on. I can grab this. Okay. What the hell was that? Oh my god, the key just fell. Where'd the key fall? Oh, the key's right here. Yes. Come on. Yes, I got the key. What's wrong? Are you okay? Hold on, bro. I found a key. Hold on.
Yo, where do you think we are?
I have no clue, bro. All I know is I was trying to FaceTime Jigsaw. We shouldn't have FaceTime him. You know what he said? Jigsaw. Yeah, we tried FaceTiming him and then Jigsaw FaceTimed me.
Oh, yeah, I just remember.
Bro. Oh my god, I can't get this. What the hell? I can't even unlock this. Hold on, I'm trying to unlock this freaking thing.
Hold on.
What? BZ? No, he's not. Where's BZ? Oh my god. It's taking so long. I can't unlock it. There's a freaking chain to. Hold on. There's a. I can't see. I'm trying to see at the same time as. Man, this is not good. Come on, it's freaking locked to it. What the hell? It's freaking locked to it, guys. Look at this. The lock. There's a lock, and I have the key, but I can't unlock it. Hold on. Come on. Oh, there you go. Okay, it's in. The key's in. The key's in. Yeah, I'm twisting it. It's not opening. Damn it. Oh, okay. I think I got it. Yes. Hold on. Come on, get out. Come on. Oh my god, stupid flashlight, come on. Okay, let's go slowly. Okay, let's put it in through here. Like this. Yo, it's so hard. My bad, bro, it's so hard to think. Quick before Jigsaw comes out. Come on, Aldo, come on. Don't screw this up, don't fumble, come on. Oh, come on. It's freaking stuck. I unlocked it, come on, what the? I unlocked it, but I'm still stuck. Oh, lock, you stupid thing, come on. I have to bend the metal. Oh, there we go, I bent the metal. Oh, there we go, it opened. Oh, I had to freaking bend the cage. What the hell? Why was I inside this cage? Holy fuck. Okay, I made it out of the cage. I'm out the cage, I'm outside the cage, where are you? It's locked! The room is locked! Hold on, let me push it, hold on. Hold on, let me try pushing it. Guys, I found my brother, but he's on the other side of this door. Hold on, Leo! Bro, it's freaking locked! The door's not opening, it's freaking locked, bro! Guys, I need to look around. Guys, there has to be something. What the hell is this? Let's see. Nothing happened. There's lion stuff everywhere. No, hold on, I'm looking for it, I'm still looking. There's an axe. The axe doesn't do anything. Yo! What do you mean there's a timer? Hold on! I'm just gonna play with everything, bro. Hold on. Come on, sometimes in video games when you move something, something has to budge. Come on. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Oh, yo, this thing just made a noise. Yo, I think I pulled the lever. I think so, it just made a noise.
Did the door get unlocked?
I don't know, the door's still closed.
Push it open.
Oh, the door's open. The door's freaking open. Leo, what are you doing? There's a timer. Yo, Leo. Oh my God, yes, you're alive.
Hold on, I'm chained up.
Oh shit, what the hell?
Bro, I'm literally chained up.
Is there like a...
Bro, you need a key. I thought you said you found the key.
I found the key for myself.
What do you mean? You didn't find the key for me?
I only found one key. There's
Bro,
nothing.
there's 7 minutes and 30. Hold up.
Bro, what is this room?
Bro, hold up. Yo, there's a camera right there.
Where?
Right there.
What the hell? It's watching us.
Hold up.
There's a camera watching us.
Who's watching us?
Dude, how are you? What the?
Bro, I'm chained up. Who's watching us right now?
Yo, Jigsaw's watching us.
Jigsaw.
What the hell? What the hell's going on?
Yo, bro, what do you think the timer means, bro?
Bro, I don't know.
I
Yo,
don't
what the hell we need
understand.
to... Yo, he said if we don't get out of here in time, there's gonna be gas chambers.
What?
And it's gonna poison the whole room.
Yo,
Hold on, let me look around.
Guys, he
Hold
just
on.
said gas chambers. Well, hold up, bro. What does that mean, bro? Are we about to get smoked?
What the hell?
What?
Yo, Jigsaw's FaceTiming me again.
See who's going?
What the hell? Look. What the hell?
What? Oh.
Yo.
It seems you managed to save yourself. I was expecting that, but now you must save your brother.
What the hell?
Bro, save me.
Punished for all the clickbait he was involved in.
What? Yo, bro.
As you see before you, will release poison gas.
Oh my God.
Fill up the room. Should you not escape? Good luck.
Yo, what?
What the hell?
Hold up, should we not escape?
What the hell? Yo, what the?
Yo, is that what the time for?
Oh, yo, we have 5 minutes. Guys, we have 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yo, it's good shit. What the? Yo, where should I look? Hold on. Hold on, I just fell, my bad. Okay, let's think straight.
No! Bro, we have 5 minutes, bro. We have to find the key. Toxic gas to come through.
Okay, where's the key? Oh, did you see anything in here?
Bro, I can't see
Here, let me
anything.
open the stuff. Everything's
Look around,
locked. Everything's freaking locked. What the?
Bro, everything's locked, guys. Everything is locked. Yo, hold
Oh,
up.
this one's open.
Huh?
There's nothing in here. There's what is this? There's a bug. There's a dragon on the bug. But there's no key.
Yo, bro, you gotta find the key, bro. Find the key.
Hold on. Last time I pulled the lever, something happened. What the hell? Can't use this for anything.
What is that? Bro, hold up, bro. Look around, bro. Is there anything lion related?
Oh, maybe they said toxic gas is gonna come out of this.
Oh, God, bro, I think that it's gonna come out of the roof. Bro, it's pitch black. I can't see anything.
What the hell?
What?
Look, it says Jigsaw escape room.
Where?
Literally right here.
No.
It says Jigsaw escape room.
Oh, bro, we have to escape.
Yo,
bro.
this is like.
Guys, we gotta get out of
There's
here.
a camera watching. Okay, guys. Yo, I'm gonna look here. I'm gonna look the other room. I'm gonna check the other room. There's somewhere here. There has to be a key. Come on. I'm gonna look inside these. Key? Is there a key? No key here. Come on, there has to be a key in here. Come on, no key. Come on, what the hell? There has to be a key somewhere. Maybe behind this lion thing. There should be a key.
Guys, look.
No, there's no thing here. There's nothing here.
Hopefully we can find
Hold on. I found it. Oh, it's locked. It's locked. Is there anything in here?
Oh no!
There's nothing in here too. Come on.
4 minutes!
4 minutes! Hold on, bro. What's this? Hold on. There's a wolf, there's a freaking thing, there's a lion, and oh, I found a key! I'm coming!
Guys, bring it! Let me see the key,
Look. Does it fit?
I don't know, guys. You find the key. Yo, put it in.
Move your
my
hands.
hands. Oh, they're so tight.
Oh shit, hold on.
Unlock it. Turn it.
Did it unlock?
I don't know. Keep turning.
Hold on. Oh, unlock.
Yo, Leo, let me out of here. Yo,
Hold on. Oh, there. I got it. I got it. There we go. Get up. Let's get out of here.
Guys, check out my hands. Yo, look at my hands, bro.
Are you
so
good?
tight on me.
What the hell, bro? What the hell happened?
Hey, hold on, bro. Hey, how do we get out of here, bro? Yo, is there an exit this way?
Bro, I don't know. Let's walk.
Yo, you were in this cage right here?
Yeah.
Guys, what the hell?
I was literally inside this cage.
Okay, so what do we do?
What the hell?
What?
Yo, I'm getting FaceTimed again.
Yo, what now is there? Yo, there must be a message.
I'm a little surprised now.
What?
Well done. You managed to save your brother.
Yo, this is not funny.
Yo!
You must save Basie.
Basie? Where's Basie?
You've done numerous rituals in Basie's house.
Oh my god, we have.
Unpunished, the dark spirits now haunt his house. If you fail to escape, the door will permanently be locked.
Whoa.
And you'll be stuck here forever.
What?
No more filming video.
What the hell? No!
No! Yo!
No, I want to continue. I want to do the videos. Yo, let's go see the timer.
Hold on, where's Basie?
Basie! Yo, we have 2 minutes left. We need to get out of this room.
Bro, we have to get out of here right
Okay,
now.
listen. Last time when I unlocked you, there's a chamber. I pulled the lever. I pulled the lever, and then the door opened. Quick, we have 2 minutes left. Find it. Pull everything. Just pull everything.
Guys, the door's locked. Yo, okay, we need to
Pull everything. We need to pull everything.
1 minute 30, yo.
Yo, gas chambers, bro. Hurry up. Yo, I'm not trying to die. I'm too early to die. I got more videos. Yo, I still gotta go to Area 51 again. Yo, I got mad videos I want to film. I still haven't went to the Bermuda Triangle. Pretty fast, Miss Pizzeria. I found it yet.
No, what?
Oh, that's the lever that I pulled.
You pulled this lever?
Oh, look, there's an arrow.
What?
What if we have to pull the other one?
Pull
this
the other
one.
one.
Pull this one.
Pull it.
Pull it. Yo, it made a noise.
Yo, you heard that? Yo, I heard that.
Yo, let's go. Yo, there's 5 seconds left. Yo, go. Get out of here. Yo, go.
Hey, yo, where's this room?
What the hell? Where are we?
Yo, who's that? Yo.
Basie?
Yo, that's one. I'm open. Who's that?
What the hell? Hello? What the hell? Yo, what's that noise?
What?
Yo, the timer just went on.
What? Timer?
Timer went on.
Hold on. Timer for what?
Yo. What is this place? Blood? Welcome, I pray. Solve my riddle. Set you free. Is that Basie?
Hey, yo, he's chained up.
Yo, why is it chained? Yo, Basie! Yo, what the hell's going on? Yo, Basie, oh my god! Yo, Basie, he's being chained up, yo! What the, yo, get him out, yo, let's get him out, what the hell?
Yo, hold on.
Yo, what the hell's this mask, bro? Yo, get me out of here! What the, yo, what the? Yeah, there's one lock.
Hold on, bro.
What the hell? You're literally a chain to
There's a handcuff, there's a lock, and there's one on.
Yo, somebody's trying to get you.
Get me out of here. Get me out. Yo, bro, hold up.
Yo, what the hell? Yo, we need to save you, bro. What is this? Yo, Basie, we need to save you, bro.
Welcome, I pray.
Solve my riddle and I'll set you free. Okay, yo, we need to do the same thing we did last time. There's 5 minutes left, but we already wasted a minute doing nothing.
Okay, hold
They're
on,
freaking
hold on.
screaming. What is this freaking room? Yo, hold on. Yo, it sounds like we're outside.
What?
Sounds like we're outside somewhere. Yo, shut up for a second. Shut up.
That sounds like we're in the forest?
Sounds like we're in the forest. Guys, yo, Boogie, shut up for 1 second, bro. Guys, it sounds like we're in one of forest.
But it sounds like we're outside.
Sounds like we're in a forest.
It's like nighttime. I hear like crickets.
Oh my god, yo, what the hell? Look at that.
No, bro, I was chained up in the other room and Aldo's.
Yo, let's get it, bro. I was chained up too. I was chained up too.
Look at my hands, bro. What happened? Bro,
I woke up in an animal. Never mind, we only have 5 minutes left. Explain later. And there's a camera watching.
Hold on.
Yo, if we don't get out here in 5 minutes, with the gas is gonna come inside the room. In this room? Yeah.
Yo, hurry up. Okay, hold on.
How do we get out of here? What the hell is this? Yo, this thing is heavy. You're literally stuck. Okay, we need to look for keys. Guys, we need to find some keys. Oh shit, what did I step on?
Yo, are these teeth? Bro, there's teeth.
What do you mean there's teeth?
Bro, there's teeth in these jars.
No!
Wait, guys.
Yo, there's bloody teeth.
Guys, look, wait, let me try one. Yo, basically, bro.
Guys, look, there's literally teeth.
Bro, 4 minutes.
Okay, we need to, yo, we're 4 minutes. Yo, we're squaring around. Yo, just put your hand on everything.
Look at the table. Yo, look at the table. Yo, there's a key right here.
What, you found a key?
Yo, there's a key.
What's this for? What's that for?
What's this for? I don't know, bro. Let me see. Yo, turn it. Quick.
Yo, that looks like it goes in there.
Yo,
Yes, we got a key.
Yo, now your hands are free, basically. Wait.
Okay, yo, I'm gonna find another key. You got one, there's 2 left.
Yo,
The shit's locked, it's open?
hold on.
Okay, I'm gonna move it. Anything behind it? No, nothing behind it.
Yo, hurry up, look everywhere.
Check the drawer.
Bro, look around. I looked everywhere.
Oh, yo, look, there's a little treehouse thing.
Look inside.
No, there's nothing in there.
There's nothing in there. Yo, look over there.
Oh, yo, there's a jacket.
Yo, look at this. What's in here?
There's nothing inside the jacket. Yo, this is sketchy. This is definitely a lumberjack. Look at this. Shit, a wooden door.
Yo, there's another key.
You found a key?
Right here.
Yo, hold on, how much time we have left? We're 3 minutes, 26 seconds left.
3 minutes.
3 minutes left.
Yo,
gas! There's gonna be gas in there. Yo, come on, I need to find this.
Hold this. I don't know.
What the hell is this shit? Wood? Yo, this guy's straight cutting wood, bro. What is this?
There's
Something in here.
Yo, are you good?
Nothing.
Yo, there's a brand new ball that's ball so heavy. Yo, there's one more key. Yo, there's one more key out though.
Yo,
where we?
I'm looking inside this.
Let me see.
I don't see anything.
What is this?
Open it.
Yo, what does that say?
Just open it.
Bro, I can't.
You see anything?
Bro, there's nothing in here, bro. Hold up. We have to make no.
Bro, there's nothing else here.
Yo, but there's nowhere else. There's room. So look everywhere.
There's 2 minutes left. Yo, check inside there. Check inside this.
We have one more left.
Check inside this. It's not open. Oh, there's a key. Yo, check if any of the keys. Yo, check if any of the keys working here. Grab a key.
Bro, it's locked. What are these doors?
Grab a key. Grab a key. How many keys do we have?
We have one left.
How many keys do we have already?
2.
Okay, give me one of the keys. Quick.
Right here.
Give me one. This is not gonna fit. Give me another one.
Small one.
This one, yeah, this one might fit. Let's check. No, it doesn't freaking fit. This doesn't unlock.
That's the wrong one, bro. We don't have time.
Guys, check in there.
Check in where?
Bro, we can't. It's
We can't.
locked.
Okay, yo, use the keys. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes.
Yo, Beastie.
Yo, there's a combination. What's the combination? Found the key.
Try. Is this it?
Yo, quick.
We don't want to shine.
Yes. We got it. Yes. Get out. Come on, unlock the door.
Open it.
Bro, what the hell? What do you mean it's not opening?
Bro, there must be a lever.
You have 20 seconds left.
Open the door. 20 seconds.
There must be a lever somewhere.
Yo, this. What's this?
No, this is not happening. This is not
Hold on, Fred. How much time? 20 seconds.
Yo, bro, the guy's gonna come from here, bro. Quick.
From where?
Bro, from there. I don't
Oh my
know.
god, 15 seconds! Yo, right here! Oh shit, drop my phone! Grab it! Yo, here!
No, bro.
Run! Just go! Oh, yeah, open it! Go! 2, 1, get out! Yo, what the hell? Bro, what the hell are we? What the hell? Yo, what the hell? Yo, go! Oh my god! Bro, we need to get out of here! Yo, screw Jigsaw! He's gonna kill you! He's gonna freaking chase us, bro! What the hell?
Yo, I see him. Leave.
What do you mean you see him, bro?
What?
Yo, where the hell are we? Yo, we're literally in the forest. We're literally in the middle of nowhere.
Where do we go?
Yo, we need to get out of here. Hello? Jigsaw? Jigsaw, isn't that funny?
Yo, where are we?
Jigsaw? Well, we're in the middle of nowhere.
Yo, where do we go?
Yo, I don't know. We need to get out of
What if
here.
he comes after us right now?
Yo, we need to get out of here. Yo, guys, we've been walking around for like an hour. Where the hell are we?
We're literally in the middle of nowhere. Guys, we've been walking for like an hour now. I don't even know where we are, bro. Why are we in this
Guys, we're in
forest?
the middle of a forest.
Bro, we need to leave quick before he sees us.
Yo, the thing is, this doesn't even make sense. He said we were clickbaiting videos. I don't clickbait videos, do I? Guys, do you think I clickbait videos? Which kind of psycho? Guys, somebody was obviously really mad that I was clickbaiting my videos. Okay, yo, we need to keep exploring, guys. We're gonna keep running.
Get out of here! Yo, there's a road!
Where? Oh shit, a road! Yo, go!
Bro, there's a road right there!
Holy shit!
Go get out of here, quick!
Yo, wait for me, wait!
Yo.
Oh my god, finally! Where the hell are we? Bro, what the hell? Where are we? Yo, we're literally
made it up.
on some random road. Okay, screw this.
Yo, I'll get us right. I'll get us right.
Okay, yo, hitch. Yo, call a ride. Yo, call a ride. Screw this shit.
Yo, guys, we're gonna call a ride. This is getting too sensitive. Guys, like that video.
Guys, we're going home. We almost. Oh my god, I can't believe that happened. What the hell? Yo, thank God I'm out. Hallelujah! I made it. We made it. Oh my god, I'm never clickbaiting videos again. I'm sorry. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. Okay, let's go home, bro. I've had enough. Today was a long day. Let's go. Yo! Okay, guys, we're gonna figure out a way home. I'm gonna call an Uber. See you guys in the next one. Peace.